Half-price candles in the summer aisle. You said, who buys these now? Then smiled at your own question. Cartwheel squeaking phone at 3%. We argued over pasta shapes like it actually meant something. We're just two Velcro hearts, sticking for no good reason, caught on each other's loose threads again. Every season we don't match, we don't start the way the movies say we're supposed to. But I keep pulling you apart just to feel you snap back to me. Mismatched mugs on the second shelf. You drink cold coffee, I forget myself. You're sucking my laundry, my keys in your coat. Somehow every wrong turn still gets us home. We're just two Velcro hearts, sticking for no good reason, caught on each other's loose threads again. Every season we don't match, we don't start the way the movies say we're supposed to. But I keep pulling you apart just to feel you snap back to me. What if this is it? Not fireworks, just fridge lights. You're laughing in my hoodie, eating cereal at midnight. Oh, we're just two Velcro hearts, sticking for no good reason, caught on each other's loose threads again. Every season we don't match, we don't start the way the movies say we're supposed to. But I keep pulling you apart just to feel you snap back to me. Snap back to me.